for data processing and data structure, machine learning, it's way better than just applying AI where it can become really expensive. So you need to have some sort of filters before you just throw.
Yeah, just imagine 50 terabytes of data chewed by AI. I mean,
Yeah, that gets expensive really fast. So yes, I think so. Yes, it's starting to get some traction. I think it will become more a thing, and it's a trend lately that more of the data pipeline, data processing tools they're getting, and they're starting to be implemented in larger organizations.
yeah, absolutely. I see that. I mean, I work for one of these vendors which create these pipelines, and we really believe in automation. So that's why your blog really resonated me. Where because what I see in data wrangling or data engineering is that it's in a lot of cases actually programming in the pipeline. So, and I don't want to name names, but these are rule-based engines where you can, transform data from one format to another. I mean, as easy as that. And even if we apply AI to that, there's still someone who has to prove, is this a good, I don't know, mapping of Palo Alto firewall threat data to OCSF or not? I mean, this question is answered by a human being because
Exactly.
AI cannot do it by its own. And that's where I see that I think a lot of these transformations could be standardized, especially with standard off the shelf security products.
Hmm.
And why reinvent the wheel? Why do we need to write rules? Why do we need to run an AI to create a parser or transformation for us? If that's a standard product, we need it in standard format, so it could be standard, right?
Yes.
Would you agree?
That's yes, I definitely agree, and I think that's key because for so many ways as we're going more on the right side, it's way harder than to make sense of the data, and it's more expensive as well. If you
Sure.
concentrate exactly at the source and try to standardize it there and apply yes automation, yes, it will be processed in a way that you want, and then you just get it to your SIEM. It's like half of the job is done, and then you don't have also those. There's another common issue here is like that we have gaps in our coverage. Every organization, those gaps, they're starting exactly from there. When they're going through, okay, these are the 10 log sources, or let's say 100 log sources that we need to implement. They'll go, which are the easiest one? Which ones they have like the native integration? And then you have like that backlog of, oh, these are all non-standard logs, and they just stay a pile there. Something happens, you have an incident, then you fix one of them and you go to the next one.